Hey everyone, yesterday I showed you how to create an IOTLink add-on using .NET Framework, and if you don't know .NET or you don't want to learn it, then you can also install it by copying a few files to your add-ons folder. So in this video I'm just going to show you how to install it. Before I do that, I want to show you that IOTLink is running, and as you can see the CPU usage is updating and the laptop temperature is not. Okay, it hasn't received data for over 30 seconds, and that's because I intentionally stopped it. So in order to enable the temperature sensors, we'll have to copy this file. Okay, and we're going to extract the zip file here. If you go to this folder, we'll see two files. It's the addon.yaml. This one just contains some basic information about our add-on, like the name of the add-on, the name of the DLL, the minimum API version. And there's also this DLL file. This one has the code that we written yesterday, the code that rates the temperature from the CPU and sends it through MQTT, in our case, the Home Assistant. Now, after I copy these files, so just a reminder that in my case, this folder is located at C program data IOTLink add-ons. You may have the same folder. If not, you'll have to find it. And once you do that, you just have to restart the service. Okay, and now let's see if we have reading. And we'll also compare them with core temp. So it's around 80 something degrees, 85 or yeah, my okay, as you could see, it updated. Now I have 85 degrees. Yeah, my temperature is pretty hot when I'm recording. So that's it. Just copy this zip file, extract it in the add-ons folder, restart the IOTLink service, and enjoy your temperature sensor. I'm using it to monitor some of the devices from my home. For example, I have the Raspberry Pi, another one in the garage, the laptop temperature, and so on. So I hope you enjoyed this, and subscribe to my channel if you like these videos. Thank you.